Hello students, be ready for maths class. I am Jayesh Patel. Hope you all are well and doing your study properly. Today we are going to learn some more important points and solve exercise 6.3 from chapter 6, the triangles and its property of standard 7 mathematics. Students, please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Name of important topic is angle sum property of a triangle. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Student, this property is also very much important. Please see this properly. Now, to justify this, let us use the exterior angle property of a triangle. Please see the given diagram. Here triangle ABC is given. Angle ACD is the exterior angle of the given triangle at point C. Now given angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are angles of triangle ABC. Angle 4 is the exterior angle when BC is extended to D. Now what to show? That measure angle BAC plus measure angle CBA plus measure angle ACB is equal to 180, or in simple way measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180. Now justification for this: first step, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 from the figure. Now what is the reason? The by exterior angle property. Do you remember this? Good. Now second steps, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 3. What is the reason behind this? It means adding angle 3 to both the side. Okay. Now third step, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. How it is 180 is there? So from the diagram, angle 4 plus angle 3 forms a linear pair. Therefore, angle 4 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So, they replace angle 4 plus angle 3 from step 2 and write 180 in step 3. It's clear? Now, the last step. Therefore, measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180, or measure angle BAC plus measure angle CBA plus measure angle ACB is equal to 180. So, it's justified. It's clear? Now, what is the property? The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180. It's clear? Very good. Now exercise 6.3. First sum. Find the value of unknown x in the following diagrams. First sub question. Student, please see the diagram. Triangle ABC is given where the value of B is 50, value of angle C is 60, and we have to find out the value of x. That is, we have to find out the value of angle A. Now in triangle ABC, angle BAC plus angle ACB plus angle ABC is equal to 180. What is the reason? That is by angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180. Therefore, x plus 110 is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. It means the value of x is equal to 70. Now, second, in triangle PQR, value of P is 90, value of R is x, and value of Q is 30. So we have to find out the value of x. So in triangle PQR, angle PRQ plus angle RPQ plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Reason? By angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, x plus 90 plus 30 is equal to 180. Therefore, x plus 120 is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. It's clear? Sum number 5th. Here one triangle is given. and the measure of all the angle is x. So in given triangle, x plus x is equal to 180. Reason is by angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, 3x is equal to 180. Why 3x is there? So the x plus x is equal to 3x. Therefore, 3x is equal to 180. Therefore, x is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60. Therefore, each angle of given triangle are of 60. It's clear? Now the sixth one. Please see the diagram. It's a right angle triangle. The value of one angle is x, value of the second angle is 2x, and value of third angle is of 90. So in given triangle, x plus 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 by angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. Therefore, 3x is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 upon 3 is equal to 30. This is the value of x. Now, therefore, first angle is equal to x is equal to 30. Second angle is equal to 2x is equal to 60. How 60? So, 2 into 30, we will get 60. And the third angle is equal to 90. It's clear? Very good. Now, try to solve the third and fourth by yourself. Sum number 2. Find the value of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. There are two variables given and we have to find out the value of both. In first one angle is of 50, one angle is of x, one angle is of y, and the exterior angle is of 120. Now, see how to solve. First one, 50 plus x is equal to 120. Why? The exterior angle property of a triangle. Therefore, x is equal to 120 minus 50 is equal to 70. It's clear? Now, 50 plus x plus y is equal to 180. What is the reason? There is an angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, 50 plus 70 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, 120 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. So, the value of x is equal to 70 and value of y is equal to 60. It's clear? Now, second one. Please see the diagram. One angle is of 50 and one angle is of x and one angle is of y is given. It's clear? And the one vertical opposite angle is also given. It is a vertical opposite of y and the value of that is 80. Now, see how to solve. Y is equal to 80. That means the value of y is equal to 80. Why? It's a vertically opposite angle. Now, 50 plus x plus y is equal to 180. It is the angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, 50 plus x plus 80 is equal to 180 from equation 1. Therefore, 130 plus x is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. Therefore, x is equal to 50 and y is equal to 80. This is the final answer. It's clear, everyone? Very good. Sum number 3 of question 2. Here in triangle, value of one angle is 50, value of another angle is 60, and the third angle is y is given, and the linear angle of y is x is also given. Okay. Now, 50 plus 60 is equal to x. That is the exterior angle property of a triangle. Therefore, x is equal to 110. So, this is the value of x. Now, 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180. It's the angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, 110 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. So, the final value of x is 110 and that of y is equal to 70. It's clear? Now, the fourth one. Here, x, y is given. Third value of third angle is 30 is given. And the vertical opposite angle of x is also given. The value of that is 60. Now, the value of x is equal to 60 because it's a vertically opposite angle. Now, 30 plus x plus y is equal to 180. It's the angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, 30 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180. It's from equation number 1. Therefore, 90 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore, y is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. So the final answer is x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 90. It's clear? Very good. Sum number 5th. This is the isosceles triangle where the base angle is of x and the angle is of y, and the vertical opposite angle of y is given, that is of 90. So you have to find out the value of x and y. Now the solution, y is equal to 90. It's a vertical opposite angle. Now y plus x is equal to 180. It's the angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore 90 plus 2x is equal to 180. Therefore 2x is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Therefore x is equal to 90 upon 2 is equal to 45. So the final answer, x is equal to 45 and y is equal to 90. It's clear? Now the last sum of this exercise. Here please see the given figure properly. Here x is equal to y. It is from the right hand side. It is given y. It is a vertical opposite angles. Therefore x plus y is equal to 180. It's angle sum property of triangle. Therefore 2x plus y is equal to 180. Therefore 3x is equal to 180. Why 3x? Because x and y both are equal. So 2x plus y, that means 2x plus x is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to 180. Therefore x is equal to 180 upon 3 is equal to 60. So the final answer, x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 60. It's clear everyone? Very good. Students, please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.